Hello, everybody. I'm Timmy, Professor Timmy, or Dr. Cute. I'm here to teach you how to use QM for Windows to conduct a break-even analysis in managerial mathematics. Let's first click on the software QM for Windows version 5. This software is founded by the author of the textbook of managerial mathematics, is Taylor. This textbook is 13th edition, so I think this is a well-established one. So let's continue break-even analysis. Let's see is the interface of the QM for window. Just see the left hand side, you will see a lot of modules for different topics such as break-even analysis, forecasting, and linear programming. And for now, we will focus on break-even analysis. So we click here. When we click here, we open three subfunctions, submodule. They are cost volume analysis, break-even analysis, and multi-product break-even analysis. But for our current purpose, we now focus on the break-even analysis. We just click and you can set title here. For example, assignment. If I want to do the assignment, so I can type title assignment and click OK, and it appears that we have the table suddenly appears, and as you can see a fixed cost, variable cost, and revenue per unit. And this analysis intends to calculate the quantity that makes profit equal to 0, or the quantity that makes total revenue equal to total cost. So we have to set up the value for the fixed cost, variable cost, and or unit cost, and finally revenue per unit, or price per unit. Assume the fixed cost is $30,000 and variable cost is $15 per unit, and the price is $30 per unit. And when we all set the break-even point can be calculated by click solve, and we can see break-even. The break-even quantity is 2,000 units. At this point, at this quantity, the total revenue is equal to total cost, which is $60,000. That means if we produce the quantity that is more than 2,000 units, we can make profit greater than 0. If reverse is true, we will have a loss. If we want to make the analysis result visual, we can click a solution, and under this we can see a graph of break-even analysis. We'll click this and we will see a graph for the break-even analysis. As you can see, when the quantity is greater than, or value is greater than 2,000, we can make our revenue greater than cost. Total revenue is greater than cost, so we can make profit. The reverse is not true. When the quantity is less than 2,000, we will have a negative profit. And that's all about break-even analysis. Oh, the last point, if we want to go back to the input table, we just click here, edit data, and if we want to make further analysis, assume manager want to produce, for example, 3,000 unit or quantity of product, and want to produce this amount. What the result? As we click solve, we can see now the output table produce more information for us, because we set up our production quantity as 3,000, so we can see at this quantity we will have net profit of $15,000. The total variable cost will be unit cost 15 multiplied by the amount of product we produce, 15 multiplied by 3,000, so we obtain 45,000 here. And the total revenue is $90,000. Is the price is 30. Unit revenue is 30. We produce 3,000, so we have $90,000. So we can see we have total revenue is $90,000 and total cost is $75,000. So we have net profit. So you can practice yourself, and that's all about chapter 1. Again, the key point is to find a quantity that makes profit equal to 0. That's a break-even point. That's practice by your own, and that's all for today's lesson. Bye.